Today I'm going to be making some juice, or I guess juicing some fruit. I'm going to do a melon juice blend, and it's going to be watermelon and cucumber. I keep calling this a cucumber. Cantaloupe. I've never tried this combo before, so we'll see. I'm a little bit new to juicing. I've had this juicer for 5 months and I've only used it probably under 10 times, so I'm not that great, but I'm getting better. Stuff is magic. I use it. There's 10 ways you can use it, and it's listed on here, but I use it all 10 ways, literally. Everything off, but one of the ways that you can use it is cleaning off your fruits and vegetables. Farmers now put so many pesticides on fruits and veggies and produce, and genuinely, it freaks me out. And some of them can cause cancer and all this crazy stuff, so make sure you wash your fruit. Do you guys see that? If y'all wanted to see, this is about, I'm gonna use the smaller half portion one, actually, and then probably this much watermelon. That's pretty much it. I made a lot of juice again the other day and it was too much, so I'm gonna try to make 1.5 servings basically. Like I said, I did not take out the seeds because there's a lot of nutritional benefits within the seeds, such as potassium, magnesium, what else? Fiber, healthy fats. This is with the seeds, not the watermelon, folks. And then what else? Potassium, magnesium, I think iron maybe. It's basically good for everything, like immunity. Oh, has protein. Anyways, don't neglect the seeds. So here's a little bit of a better, don't do what I just did. I don't know why I did it like that. Oh, something's coming for me. Put all the fruit in first. We're about to have a major disaster. And I'll do it like in sections so y'all can see what it looks like. And then squish it down. And I didn't cut off the green part last time. It was good, but I just want to see what it's like without it. But I also use every fruit in my fridge. And this is like the most efficient way to do it. And smush. So it's the following evening and I made a second round. I wanted to just update you guys because I never filmed like if I liked it or not. This juice is so good. I recommend it just because of the taste, but also because of the nutritional benefits, which I will put in the description. So yeah, by far my favorite juice so far. Like and subscribe, comment below if you want me to try any other juice recipes.